From BlackBerryOS.com. This is Joe Jurdy here. We're at BlackBerry Jam Americas 2012. I'm here with Donny Halliwell, and he is the editor-in-chief of BlackBerry Blogs. I'm sure a lot of you recognize him already. He's got a beautiful shirt on. So, Donny, I want to ask you a couple questions here. You know, there's a lot of developers here at the event, and you guys have been going around, and you're like basically hands-on, major hands-on with everybody, asking them questions, digging deep. You know, what they like about BlackBerry 10. Yeah. Give us the feeling, your overall feeling about, you know, when you're, first just give me the overall feeling about the event. What do you think about it? How's it working? And, you know.
Definitely. Yeah, so this is my first developer event as blog manager. I was at BlackBerry World, and that was my first one there. This event is just, it's so unique. The vibe here is awesome. All the developers are great. And the things that I'm getting out of the show are, I didn't come in with like too many like things like that I would know about it.
Right.
And leaving here, my reason to believe, they're doing a 10K reason to believe, and it's definitely developers. I'm seeing great gaming demos, a lot of our partners on stage, all the things they're showing off, and then even the partners that weren't on stage and showing that stuff, just people that are coming by and showing me what they built this week or what they learned, and applying that to apps that they have it running, or it's almost running, and they've been here for 3 days. It's that, like, to me, that's awesome.
Beautiful. And you talk about the 10K thing. They pass out these little buttons here where you get a star for everything, every reason you believe. And I know you guys were also filming some of the developers and asking them these reasons, like why they like BlackBerry 10. And I know you guys are going to be maybe doing some videos and stuff like that. Like, what are most people saying about the event? Like when you're talking to these developers and you're interviewing them, what are they telling you?
What I'm hearing from the show and like about BlackBerry 10, about developing for BlackBerry 10 is the tools are awesome. Everyone, well, Cascades gets mentioned a lot, but I know it's way more than Cascades. It's how easy it is to develop for people as experienced developers, as entry-level developers. I met someone, this was his first show, and he wasn't even a developer coming in, and he's already got like a basic HTML5 app, and it's on there. And just after the workshops and everything he's done here, people are excited about the flow design paradigm and the UI, and incorporating that into their apps so that every app they build, and I was talking to a few people yesterday, every app they build is going to feel like almost native. Like it feels like it's a part of the OS itself, and you can do the things with Cascades to make it feel like the peak and the flow and everything that BlackBerry 10 is all about, getting people in and out quickly, and it's beautiful too, right?
Right. And as far as like social media goes, and you know you're involved in that, BlackBerry Blogs, of course, you know, inside BlackBerry, and you get to see everybody, you know, in that Twitter sphere and Facebook. You know, how's the overall feeling going on in that? You know, what are people reacting to?
Yeah, it's cool. I mean, on Twitter, we're getting people from within the show and all the attendees here that are excited, and they're hopping on the hashtag #DinnyJam. And the cool thing about Twitter is people hopping in from outside the show, watching all the coverage that you guys are bringing, that we're bringing, and they're excited about what's going on here, even though they're around the world. They're in different continents or across the country, and it's cool that that social media is bringing them all together. So I think that's really cool. And BlackBerry loves, like we love our community, and that's why we do like things like Fan of the Month and all those things. It's just great.
And what's the Twitter handle they can follow if they want to like get all your information? That's an easy way to access you guys. Like what is your Twitter handle for them to follow?
Yeah, so the main one's at BlackBerry. Simple, and we're on that every day, and you can see the community managers. They're talking.
Are you on the actual Twitter too? Do you get on there and type and
yeah, for sure. Yeah, we definitely do that. So you'll see we have like handles and everything on Twitter. We're on Facebook, facebook.com/BlackBerry, Google+, and the other Twitter handles for dev news, it's at BlackBerry Dev, it's at BlackBerry for Biz, and at BlackBerry Help too. That's huge. For tips and tricks on BlackBerry, that's the place to go. And the support community there is fantastic.
Great. Well, thank you for spending some time with us today, Donny. Appreciate it, man.
Awesome.
And I love the event, and we'll see you at the next one, huh?
Great. Thanks so much.